And so, Roderich took Feliciano's advice. He took a day trip in Italy. He stopped the coffee. He watched men hit on women for a while. He ate some torts and he ate some tiramisu. He did not drink coffee because now all he drinks is beer, like a true fucking man. And so, now our young Roderich is now ready to approach his mate.
Guten Tag.
Hello, Roderich.
Hello.
So you wanted me over for some reason?
I did.
And
I'll play you some. Oh, 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 oh my God.
what?
I just, in the words of Usher, the great. When I see you, I just want to say, oh my God, and okay, gotta start over.
Sure, go ahead.
No piano. Elizabeth, I have nothing to say.
What?
But this.
That?
Mm-hmm.
That was actually sweet. Yes! You did a good job! I'm so proud of you! Don't jump like that,
Oh,
okay?
Okay.
Okay. But I am proud of you, because I know that you've really thought about this. So, it makes me really happy, okay?
Okay.
So you're doing better, and I love you for who you are, okay?
Okay.
So, we can go out and get some coffee sometime.
No.
No?
Beer.
Okay, beer's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Fine with beer.
Oh, okay.
So we can go out and get the beer sometime.
All right.
I'm proud of you.
Okay.
Okay.
Elizabeth,
Yes.
I don't hate you.
And I don't hate you too. Actually, I love you, but I know you'll never say love because you're a German man.
No.
Oh, God! I don't know what we're doing.
Because you ladies like the Latin men, right? You know?
Sure, I don't care. As long as you take off your clothes.
I can do that.
Alright, let's do it.